right, I'm staying in the right hand side next to that white line just there. Looking towards the roundabout, around, where's that bike going that way and away. Inside lane because we're going right to the roundabout. Then left mirror, left indicator and away towards Bangor. Now then, we're just bringing that speed down. See that silver car? There we go. Ooh, that was close. Where's he going? Yes, there is. After the black Audi. 1, 2, 3. I'm being overtaken by a Ferrari. We're going left of the roundabout. No, it's a McLaren. Welcome back, everybody. My name's David. 43 plus years experience as a professional driver. Yes. 1989 when I first became a driving instructor. That was before most of you were even born. At the next roundabout, we're going straight ahead towards Holyhead. Now, according to that sign up there, it's slightly beyond 12 o'clock, but I'm not going to use the right-hand lane. I'm going to use the left-hand lane, straight ahead, second exit. I'm slowing it down, slowing it down, slowing it down, slowing it down. You can see the 40 signs, looking towards that white van. Where's he going? Now I know where he's going. Nobody coming, staying on the outside lane. Left mirror now, left indicator, and all the way around the roundabout. And gently away. We're going straight ahead of the roundabout, second exit. Straight ahead towards Felinheli. It has off to the left. If I was going to Bangor, I'd be in the right hand lane, but I'm not. I'm going straight ahead into Felinheli. So I'm just going to slow it down. I'm going to go into the left hand lane. I'm looking at what lane everybody is over there. See the black car? He's in the inside lane. White van is going that way. He's going that way. Little bit of gas. We're going second exit. Left mirror, left indicator now, and away. So we're going right to the roundabout, third exit. There are no markings on this roundabout. Look over there, that silver car coming round, his priority. Nothing behind him, little bit of gas. Look at where you're going, inside lane. All the way around. It's fourth exit, I believe. So it's the next exit I want. Centre mirror, left mirror, indicate left, and away. Normally, if you're going straight ahead, second exit at the roundabout, we'd use the left-hand lane, unless road markings or signs say otherwise. So we're going straight ahead towards Bangor. Look at the road markings. Left lane for going left, or right lane for going right. I'm just going to indicate right to tell everybody that I'm going into this lane. Look at the road markings. So this lane for going straight ahead and right, left lane for going left only. Looking over there, nobody, all good. And just as you're passing this sign, left mirror, left indicator, and away. At the next roundabout, we're going to go straight ahead, second exit. Now the second exit has got 2 lanes on the exit and with 2 lanes on the approach. So looking at the road markings, left lane for going straight ahead and left, right hand lane for going right and straight ahead. So if there was something slow, we could in theory use the right hand lane for going straight ahead, but only if you're overtaking something slow. Left mirror, left indicator, left lane, and there's the 2 lanes for the exits. At the next roundabout, we're going to go right, third exit towards Conway. Now then, centre mirror, right mirror, indicate right. Look at the road markings, we're going towards Conway, look at the sign. Conway right hand lane. Now then, it's a little bit confusing, the road markings there. So we're going to come off on the next exit, left mirror, left indicator, and away. Now then, we're going to go straight ahead at the next roundabout. Look at the road markings, we're going towards Bangor. Second exit, the arrows on the floor are telling us left lane only for left turning and straight ahead. Right lane is for only for going right, third exit towards the hospital. Where's that Mini going? There's he going that way. Excellent. And left mirror, left indicator, and away. At the next roundabout, we're going to go right towards Bangor, second exit, 40 signs, slow it down to 40. Somebody thumbing a lift. That's not something you see very often. Reduce speed now. Slow written on the floor, 10% downhill. Now then, this is a tricky one because there's a sharp bend to the right and the left just before it. The black and white sign there is telling you there's a sharp bend. Look at the sign, we're going right towards Bangor. I'm slowing it all the way down, 1, 2, 3 right. I'm staying in the right hand side next to that white line just there. Looking towards the roundabout, around, where's that bike going? Going that way and away. Inside lane because we're going right to the roundabout. Then left mirror, left indicator, and away towards Bangor. And as we know, it's a 40 zone along here. Now then, this particular roundabout, it's only got one lane on the approach to the roundabout. It's impossible for anybody to be next to you. So it's okay on this particular roundabout to take the shortest route. Just checking my centre mirror, just looking over there, looking. It's okay to take the shortest route on this one because it's impossible for anybody to be next to you. I'm still going to pop a left indicator and mirror just there and away. If there's 2 lanes on the approach, it's really important that you stay in your lane. We're going to go straight ahead of the roundabout, straight down. It's a mini roundabout. What I'll do is, if there's nobody over there, where's he going? Right, then is his priority on the right. Because we always give way to the right, not the left. And nobody else there, away. Nobody at the lights. We're going straight ahead at the roundabout. Nobody coming towards us, nobody at the right. We'd only give way to anyone on the right, yeah? Or if there was somebody coming towards us, going all the way around the roundabout and back the way they came. Now then, little mini roundabout coming up. We're going straight ahead of the mini roundabout. Watch for indicators on the cars coming towards you and anything from the right. Look. Nothing coming. Let's go. Anybody press the button? No. This particular roundabout, we're going straight ahead, first exit. So I'm about here, centre mirror, left mirror, indicate left. Look to the right over there. There is absolutely nobody there. This is going to look very boring because it's too easy. Just be aware of cars coming from the right or cars coming towards you wanting to do a U-turn, okay? It's quite rare for them to be doing U-turns, but you never know. Now then, we're just bringing that speed down. See that silver car? There we go. Ooh, that was close. Look to the right, look over there, look to the right, look over there. So the car coming towards us tried to prove a point and put his foot down, okay? That's not going to help anybody. Okay, so we're coming up to Farm Foods. Now then, another mini roundabout coming up, and we're going to go straight ahead of the roundabout. It's first exit. If I've got cars coming towards me, because there's no left turn, I'm going to pop my left indicator on just to give them a little bit more confidence. I'm going to pop it on, look at him, I can see his left indicator, so he's not going to be coming round. That van feels much safer now because I had my left indicator on. So we're going to go straight ahead of the next roundabout. Next to next. It's first exit. I'm going to pop a left indicator on here and look at the road markings. What lane am I supposed to be in if I'm going straight ahead? Look over there, there's road markings on the floor as well. There's nobody there, just somebody coming out of next. We're going to go straight ahead. We're not going to bother with parking or nothing like that. It's only roundabouts I want to cover. Now then, how do I give way to people? I give them that space. I don't wave anybody out. I don't flash them. All I do is I give them the space to pull out if they choose to do so. I do not flash people out. Because according to the highway code, flashing of the lights is there to warn somebody of your presence. Now then, normally if we're going straight ahead of the roundabout, we'd use the left-hand lane unless road markings or signs say otherwise. Now it's a little bit difficult on this one because there are signs there, but you can't see them till the last second. So you can see the arrows now. Straight ahead, use the right-hand lane. Left lane for going to Tesco's. Look at what lane everybody's in over there. That blue car is going to Carnarvon. No, he's not. He's going to Bangor. Red car's going to Tesco's. Blue car's going to Bangor. Have we got time to go? Yes. There we go. And just to come off, left mirror, left indicator, and away. 40 signs. We're following the signs for Carnarvon now. Now then, I said earlier on, if there's two lanes on the approach to a roundabout, it's really important that you stay in your lane. We're going straight ahead of this roundabout. Really important on this roundabout. It's left lane for going straight ahead, right lane for going to Anglesey. Now then, two lanes on the approach. It's super important that I stay in my lane, because if I've got somebody next to me there, I don't want to be going into his lane. I'm going to pop a left indicator on now. There is a scratch mark in the middle of the road. My tyre is not to go over that. Pop your left indicator back on. Keep an eye on everybody. There we go, and away. National speed limit applies. At the next roundabout, we're going to go straight ahead, second exit towards Carnarvon. As you can see, this lane splits into two down the bottom over there. And normally, if we're going straight ahead, we'd use the left-hand lane. However, this has got road markings telling us to use the right-hand lane. So I'm just going to check my mirrors, indicate right, and I'm going to drift over into the right-hand lane, then I'm going to cancel my indicator. Look at the arrows on the floor. Left lane for going left, right lane for going straight ahead and right. Just bringing that speed down. Look at the arrows on the floor. There we go. We're going straight ahead. Nobody over there. And there we go. Inside lane. And left mirror, left indicator, left mirror again, just to make 100% sure. Heading away. Just after this junction here, centre mirror, left mirror, indicate left, look over there, nobody's coming from the right. Staying in the left-hand lane. At the next roundabout, we're going to follow the signs for Porthmadog. Now there is line markings on the floor supposed to be. So left lane for going straight ahead, right lane is only for going right. We're going straight ahead, second exit. There is a curve just on the approach to it. Looking to the right, nobody there. Is he going? Yes, there is. After the black Audi. 1, 2, 3. I'm being overtaken by a Ferrari. We're going left of the roundabout. Now it's the McLaren. Now then, we're going taking the left. Centre mirror, left mirror, indicate left. So we just got overtaken by a McLaren. Very nice.